Here we go again. We're solving quadratic equations by factoring. So we have two examples, one with the leading coefficient 1, one with the leading coefficient 3. Same idea, but different skills. So the first one, easy. I'm just looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 30. Same two numbers that add up to negative 1. Because here the sign is negative, I know I need to choose two different signs. So one is positive, one is negative, will give me a negative product. So first numbers that come to my mind could be 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 10 and 3, 5 and 6. So 5 and 6, the difference here is 1. So now you just need to adjust the signs right there. So because it needs to add up to negative 1, so it'll be negative 6, positive 5. Now that you already know how to factor, the next thing, you need to set each one of these factors equal to 0 and solve. So every time you're solving quadratic equations or looking for the roots, looking for the zeros of the function, looking for the x-intercept, that's all you need to do. So x plus 5 is a factor, set it equal to 0. So from here, I know x will be negative 5. And the other factor is x minus 6, set it equal to 0. So I know from here, I'll have x equals 6. Okay? So your final answer or your roots will be negative 5 and positive 6. So that's that one. The other one, that the leading coefficient is not 1, I'll go ahead and do the diamond here. So you're going to multiply these two, and that goes on top. So negative 24 goes on top. The two numbers that you're looking for, they need to multiply to negative 24. Same two numbers need to add up to negative 10. So 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. But be careful here, because 4 and 6, they would have the same sign, but when you multiply, that will give you positive 24. Okay? Watch out for that. So 10 and 12, 2 and 12, that should be it. So 2 times 12 is 24. So now you need to adjust the negative and the positive here. So if I need to do negative 10, so if I do negative 12 plus 2, that will give you the negative 10 that you're looking for. Now negative 12 times 2, that will give you the negative 24 that you're looking for the product right there. Perfect. Now, because you started by multiplying by 3, you have to go back and divide by 3. So divide by 3. A lot of people forget about that step. Okay, so here we would have to simplify the fraction, but 2/3 you cannot simplify. So here are your factors. So bring the 3 up. So 3x plus 2. And here I can simplify down to negative 4. So x minus 4. Okay. Now that I already know how to factor, and I'm good at it, I'll go ahead and set each product equal to 0, each factor equal to 0 and solve. So here I have 3x plus 2 equals 0. Solve for x, so minus 2. So from here I'll have 3x equals negative 2, and x equals negative 2 over 3. So that's one of my roots, that's one of my zeros. Now the other factor, I have x minus 4 equals 0. Add 4 to both sides. So here are my two roots. So x equals negative 2/3 and 4. That's it.